Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'm going to show you some quick ways to fix Google Chrome if it's not working properly on your MacBook. So let's get started. First, try closing and reopening your Google Chrome. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to recover it. Simply close it and you might want to do this quit option over here as well. It will quit your Google Chrome very nicely. After that, open it. If this tip doesn't work, check for updates and click Chrome about Google Chrome from the menu bar. If an update is available, install it and relaunch the browser. Many times, update can fix your issues regarding browser not working. If it's still acting up, try clearing caches and cookies. First, go to Chrome, and in Chrome, you have to simply go to the settings of Chrome from right here at the three dot and go to the settings, and here go to the privacy and security option and do here clear browsing data. Another fix is to disable extensions. If you have different extensions on your browser, you can simply disable them and it might be helpful for working your MacBook. If nothing works, reinstall Chrome, drag the Chrome app to trash and download the latest version from Google again and install it again. That's it guys. This step usually fixes most of the Chrome problems and get you back online quickly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MacBook tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.